Okay guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a advanced animation. Maybe it's not very advanced, but it may be advanced for you. So what you're gonna do is click this button when the green flag is clicked for, no, not forever. So when the green flag is clicked, repeat 10. 1 second, it's a random position. So as you see, he'll keep on gliding to random positions. This is another type of animation. You can create some kind of intro with this. So yeah, we don't need this. So also, we need to put the character to right here. Today we'll be doing some grounds and things. This time you don't need to do sprite, just get a backdrop and then you're fine. Okay, so you color the square in, and like this. Okay, now, oh, didn't, okay, so you lowered it all to 0, and then put this to 50. Alright, but first let me do this. Okay, I messed up on that part, so I have to do it again. Okay, I color them all. Oh, not yet. Can I? Yep, I can. Okay, so after you done that, go back to Sprite 1. I'm going to tell you how to use this code. So, go all the way here. You can broadcast message 1 or new message. Hello. And you can put when I receive message 1, say hello for 2 seconds. So it's like this. Go there. Okay, so this doesn't quite work as I expect, but still. Oh yeah. Right. So these things cannot be just broadcasted like that. You have to broadcast it in different places, like not just in one character, because you could already do that. So yeah, you cannot broadcast them in one character. You can say this and then say hello for 2 seconds, and then first you have to set rotation style left right, pointer direction 90, say hello for 2 seconds. And then you're gonna want to, if you're choosing this right, it should probably give you a meow. So start some meow. Meow. So look. So that's really cool. And then you can do this. Oh, no, don't do that. You can wait 1 second, and then you can ask, what's your name? Or you can change it to, how are you doing? So after I do that, after I do that, it's gonna be like this. How are you doing? Good. Yeah. So, repeat one. Repeat one. Ask how are you doing, and wait. So, this is probably a Goose's code, but still. And wait. And wait. Okay. So, this time I think the broadcast will work. So, ask how are you doing right here, and broadcast hello or message one. And then when I receive message one, when I receive message one, say, where is it? See message one. First, you gotta wait 1 second for the player to put in the code, so probably 2 seconds for that. And then say, so you can say, okay. So this is what is to happen. He's gonna say hello. He's gonna say how are you doing. We're gonna put good / bad. If you you can just put good or bad or medium, and it'll say okay. And then you gotta wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Where is it? Okay, right here. You have to wait 1 second. And yeah, you can make him say, I am doing fine. I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. And then you can make him say, I am just doing fine. Just doing fine. I'm just doing fine. You can make a creepy horror story by saying this. So as you see, I put help and me right here. And yeah, it'll be really weird. And then he will say, okay, let's continue on the journey. I know how to write journey. Okay. And then make him say, we have a lot to explore. As you see, I can drag the code right here, and I can change the seconds. So you should probably wait 4 seconds for the player to read this. So after that, you can put another backdrop. You have to add another backdrop, and then just you don't have to add another backdrop because you want the backdrop to be like this. So you have to duplicate this backdrop and then add some things. So you can add like palm trees and stuff. Like these kind of trees and stuff. So yeah, you can add some palm trees and some dead trees for the spooky effect. So here I'm adding a dead tree. I have to change this to black if I want it to be a dead tree. Okay, so you're gonna circle around and put a dot in the middle. Alright, so that's a dead tree right there. Now I just draw its branches. By the way, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm aiming for 100. I'll do a video game special. Okay, so let's continue on with the dead tree. Let's pretend that it's been like cracked or something, so like this. And yeah, that's a dead tree right there. And this is a palm tree, alright? This is a palm tree. This is a palm tree. So, put the palm tree like this. And palm tree, palm tree. Okay, now you're gonna probably want to fill it in, right? So, let's do that. Put the brightness to there, and then you get all of the colors to this color. You can put whatever color you want. Oh yeah, I forgot that. We didn't close this, so it doesn't fill it. Okay. Okay, so see, a palm tree. After you do that, you can paint the leaves. And you gotta paint them green, so it's like this. So you put the palm trees right there, and then just paint the leaves. Just paint the leaves. I'm not gonna paint any coconuts, but you guys can paint coconuts if you guys want. Okay, now let's fill it in. Okay, so palm tree, and this is the dead tree. You're also gonna have to put one line down here and say is the gate it's the gate to heck. You don't actually have to put that heck in, but if you want to, you could put heck. Just don't put you know what. Okay, so let's do this. Yep, I'm pretty sure we already covered it. So I'm gonna put a doorknob. This circular thing is you can make small circles with this and stuff. So I'm gonna make a doorknob like right here. Alright. So after you've done that, you can put a very dark sun here. Maybe that's not right. Okay, very dark sun here. You can put a very dark sun here. And you can put a very bright sun here, like this color. So what I used for that color was 14. So okay. Now let's make a very big sun. Okay, so now you can make the character say. Now after you do that, you can make we have a lot. Oh, whoops. We didn't do that. A lot to explore. Explore. Okay, after you've done that, you can make the character. Oh, not yet. I have to switch backdrop to backdrop 2. This is backdrop 2. The other backdrop is this backdrop, so we don't need it, so let's cancel it. Okay, so switch backdrop to backdrop 2, and then say, make him say something creepy again. Say, this is the good side of Earth, and this is the bad side of. It's the bad side. Okay, I put all the side stuff. Hope the person who watches this can find them out. Okay. After that, you can click on this again. But after this clicks, you have to also switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So go to backdrop 1 and boop. Okay. Okay, see? It changes a lot. So see? Good. You put good in and then say okay. This guy will say okay. I'm just doing fine. Help me. Okay, let's continue on the journey. We have a lot to explore. Oh, I forgot something. That this is backdrop 3 now. Yeah, this is a backdrop 3. So, if you guys still have this as backdrop 2, then switch it to backdrop 2. So I'm going to switch it to backdrop 3 and click this again. I'm just going to put G this time. Then he says okay. And then you can also put meows again. You can start sound meow. And start sound meow. Start sound meow. And start sound meow. And start song meow. And then after you do that, you can broadcast another message. You can broadcast another message. New message. Name it whatever you want, like this. Message. Okay, see? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. So just get stuck on the how are you doing part and keep doing this. So you broadcast quick message and then when I receive quick message, you can, after you do that, you want to paint another backdrop. But we're gonna stop today because I'm about to start school at 9 a.m. So yeah, we'll stop right here. See you guys. Bye.